And now let's talk about the value of interpreting your dreams. We are all mental creators, whether we realize it or not. And one of the best things about interpreting dreams is that they let us know how we are creating our lives through our thoughts. Yes, it's true, you do create your life through your thoughts. When you become aware of how you're creating your life, you really get an edge on how you live your life. Now, most people wonder why things happen to them in life, be it good or bad. When you direct your thoughts in a positive fashion, positive things happen. On the other side of the coin, when you direct your thoughts in a negative way, negative things can happen in your life. So dreams will let us know when we are on a positive or a negative track for soul growth. Now, whenever I act or think in a habitual way, I will have dreams that reflect that. When I'm being harmonious in my thinking, for example, my dreams will reflect that as well. Many times when I'm thinking harmonious thoughts, I will have dreams of myself singing, or a group of people singing. Singing in the universal dream language represents harmony that's produced in the waking mind of the dreamer. Now, dreams will also allow us to identify thought patterns over a period of time. And if you keep a dream log, which I will cover later, you will be able to better identify how you are thinking and creating your life over a period of time. So in doing so, you'll be able to be more constantly aware of how you are creating your life. And as I mentioned before, dreams are a form of communication from the subconscious mind. When you actively work with understanding your dreams, you become more intuitive as a result. You will have opened up the lines of communication with the inner self and created a dialogue with this inner self. So the more you're open to the communication, the more you'll experience intuitive insights as a result.